Beso Caro, an exquisite place where Mediterranean culture meets Nepalese culture. The restaurant is located at the top floor of Ramada Encore Hotel at the heart of Thamel. As the restaurant is at the top floor, you'll be bewitched by the 360 view showing Kathmandu's beauty. Along with its beautiful 360 view, the restaurant has an infinity pool. The restaurant's specialty cuisine is Mediterranean and Nepalese cuisine. The food that are served in this restaurant are heavenly in taste. Despite of being a five-star restaurant, it has not left its Nepalese cuisine behind, as the dish momo has an interesting side to it because the dish momo is served with jol achar instead of regular achar. Being a five-star restaurant, El Beso Caro has an amazing hospitality. El Beso Caro has two different views depending on the time you visit. In the daytime, the view is spectacular, having hills and mountains in the horizon, along with Kathmandu Valley itself, and in the evening, the view is filled with illuminating city lights of Kathmandu.
This is Nepal Tourism TV. Please like, share and subscribe to stay updated on tourism news in Nepal.